I'm going to give you 7 healthy eating habits for fat loss. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 1, eat in moderation. Moderation really is the key to success. Giving yourself the freedom to eat what you want in healthy quantities is important to your nutrition and overall wellness. There's nothing wrong with treating yourself every once in a while. That's part of what makes eating in moderation successful. Eating in moderation involves making sure a healthy snack or meal is within reach. Number 2, portion control. Portion size helps you eat in moderation and keeps you from overeating. Large portions trick you into eating more and consuming extra calories that can really set you back. Use smaller plates. Plating helps you tremendously with portion control. Measure and use accurate portion sizes. That way, you know exactly how many nutrients and calories you're eating. Number 3, listen to your body. You may not feel full right away, but that doesn't mean that you should keep eating until you feel uncomfortable. Eat when you feel hungry, not when you're bored. Mindless eating when you're not even hungry leads to excessive calorie intake of less nutritious foods. Eat slowly. Focus on the tastes and textures of your food. Are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. Number 4, don't skip meals. Skipping meals slows your metabolism and might even make you gain fat. It also causes your blood sugar levels to drop. Eating a healthy breakfast at a reasonable hour is great for your metabolism and keeps your hunger in check throughout the day. Always be prepared for hunger at work by keeping nuts, rice cakes, veggie chips, or other healthy snacks at your desk. Number 5, get the facts. Understand what you're really eating. Eating well means knowing how many nutrients you're getting from your meals. Read and understand nutrition labels. Always check sugar, sodium, saturated fat, and trans fat amounts. Check the ingredient label. Learn sneaky terms for hidden sugar and other additives. Number 6, drink water. Make staying hydrated a habit. Water has amazing benefits for your body and nutrition. Replace soda and sweetened drinks with water. Soda and sweetened beverages add loads of empty calories to your diet. Make sure that refreshing water is always readily available so that you can easily drink your recommended intake of water every day. Number 7, don't be too hard on yourself. This is so important. Remember, there's no such thing as eating perfectly. It's okay to reward yourself with a dessert or have a pizza night with your family every once in a while. Always keep a positive attitude about eating well and developing healthy eating habits. Punishing yourself for having a slip-up or overindulging will only lower your motivation and confidence. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to discover 10 non-scale victories for fat loss. That's it. That's all. See you next time.